Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable or turn off automatic proxy setup on your Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On left side select the network and internet. On right side select proxy server for Wi-Fi and Ethernet connection. Select it and use proxy server and Ethernet. These don't apply to VPN connection. Automatically detect settings. You just need to turn it off. You are need to turn it on. That's up to your choice guys, and that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.